Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen table. Today on the kitchen table I've been trying to put my operator number on this old F450, but as you can see my tape that was supposedly easily removable, not particularly so. Oh well, maybe another solution. Anyway, quick video. There's been a fair bit of speculation about how the registration scheme is going. So rather than adding to the speculation, we just asked the CAA and they kindly told us. So as of last Friday, which was the 15th of November, so 10 days in, 33,000 people had already registered, which I think is pretty good. If you add in the 40,000 people who are members of the various modelling societies that now don't have to register independently and will come on stream through next year, you're looking at approaching 75,000 people that will be covered. Now, bearing in mind that the sort of guesstimates that anyone had was somewhere between 130 and 150,000 modelers. And bearing in mind the large number of people who've said to me, well, I'm not going to register because I'm not going to fly till spring, that seems to me to be a pretty positive uptake. Obviously, what I don't know is whether or not, and I'm not a lawyer, I'm not sure whether the requirement to register as an operator applies if you're not going to fly them, if you're just having them on your shelf. But I guess my comment would be, if you are planning to not do anything until spring, put a reminder in your diary, because the last thing you want to do is go out for a little jaunt, you've forgotten to do it, and somebody gets you in trouble. So yeah, so it looks like the registration uptake in the UK, according to the official figures, has been pretty strong. Obviously, again, we've got no register of people who aren't going to do it, so we don't know what the total is, but 33,000 registrations in 10 days seems pretty good. Obviously, it is a requirement, a legal requirement, that you do so by the end of November, so I'm sure there'll be another push from the CAA and the DFT about that soon. But yeah, no, just thought it was interesting. So in 10 days, something like nearly 3,500 people per day on average are actually going through the process. There we go. I'm sure more to come in the near future, but until then, I'm off to go and find something else to stick on here, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.